Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve taken forever to load on your application of Roblox. So know how to fix or how to solve taken forever to load on your problem on your Roblox. You should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll search about Roblox app. Here we click on force stop, then we click storage. After that we click clear cache, but don't click here clear data because that can makes a lot of problems on your phone, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.